what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna do the bricks under the fireplace. So I'm gonna jump on it right now.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry we missed last week. We were having some technical difficulties with our editing software, but we got everything updated and we're back on track here. This week he is working on the bricks here. So a couple of them were damaged. We knew that when we bought the house, it was no big deal. He knew we could repair it. So you see him just tearing out all of the bottom 3 rows. Just so he can make it look nice and start over, because like I said, there were a few missing and a few cracked. So he's going to go ahead and repair all of those and follow along. Thank you so much for the support, guys. Go ahead and like, comment, share, and hit that subscribe button. Hey guys, so right here you see Amos using the old mortar as spacers, just so he can make sure those gaps are consistent and keep the 3 rows spaced evenly.
guys, so we got done with the front section over here. From there, we'll come back and do both side sections and then get it done. So that's the bricks. It's already dry out. So what I have to do is I gotta cover all these gaps that are in between. I gotta cover them. Hey guys, so I got the mortar here. So I'm about to go and cover all these stagger joints between the bricks. So guys, the bricks is all done. And you're gonna see it. I'm gonna do like a walk around and show you like a video of the done product of the bricks. So the bricks is all done. The next thing I'm gonna jump on is I'm gonna start taping the kitchen and covering everything to protect it from being grabs and stuff. So I'm gonna start taping the kitchen and cover everything. And once I'm on with the taping of the kitchen, and then I'm gonna start painting from the dining room, kitchen, living room, and finish everything. And the hallway, That way the painting is like 100% done, and then I can move on to something else. Mostly I'm going to be painting the wall, and then I'm going to work my way to the ceiling.
All right, guys. So like Amos said, that is the finished product of the bricks. He got all of them laid and then sealed them in there with the mortar. As he was saying, he's going to start taping for next week's video. He's going to start painting in the dining room, kitchen, living room, all throughout the house. So stay tuned for next week's video, and we just want to say thank you for your support. If you haven't yet, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We would really love to have you guys follow along. We have a lot of exciting things coming up in the future, and we would love for you guys to be a part of it. Go ahead and like the video and comment, share your favorite thing or maybe some criticism, something that you would do differently. And thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching.